Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on some modular homes that have arrived in Jamaica. Now, Jamaica recently purchased 5,000 modular homes through the NHT and other government entities. So they will be setting them up around the island, probably mostly in the western part. But these modular homes could represent something more than just relief homes for people. Jamaica needs homes. The NHT has the money, they have the land. It's just the building of the homes is a problem. The contractors, the whole building process. So if these modular homes that have arrived, if they work out according to plan, hurricane resistant, meet all the building requirements, safety, etc., then Jamaica could solve this housing problem within a year. Jamaica needs 150,000 homes. Even if they had started construction today on the 150,000, it would take years. And they haven't started. Every year, the NHT and other government entities produce a fraction of what is needed. So if these modular homes can work in Jamaica effectively, the government could buy 100,000 homes, put them down in storage, and build them out or install them as needed. Within a year, this housing issue could be solved. So it's very important to monitor the installation of these model homes and how effective they are. Basically, can they work in Jamaica? And if they can, it's going to be a game changer for the housing market in Jamaica. All right, guys, we're going to give you an update on the first 1,000 of the 5,000 homes that have arrived in the island. Modular homes are becoming one of the fastest growing segments of the global construction industry because they provide a quicker, more affordable, and more efficient way to build housing. For Jamaica, the government's decision to introduce modular homes through the National Housing Trust and the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority could eventually transform the country's entire housing and construction sector. Unlike traditional homes that are built entirely on site, modular homes are constructed in sections, inside factories or specialized facilities, and then transported to their final destination for assembly. This approach significantly reduces construction time, labor costs, material waste, and weather-related delays. In hurricane-prone countries like Jamaica, this speed is extremely important after disasters when thousands of families need immediate shelter. One of the major advantages of modular homes is rapid deployment. Traditional housing projects in Jamaica can take months or years due to financing delays, shortages of skilled labor, weather interruptions, and bureaucratic approvals. Modular units can be installed within days once land preparation and utility connections are complete. This makes them ideal for disaster recovery, emergency housing, and large-scale social housing programs. Modern modular homes are also far more advanced than many people assume. They are no longer simple temporary containers. Around the world, modular construction is now used for luxury apartments, hotels, student housing, hospitals, schools, and office buildings. Some modular developments are almost indistinguishable from conventionally built structures. The government's proposed two-bedroom modular units may be small initially, but they can provide a foundation for future expansion. Families may later add on additional rooms, verandas, solar systems, water tanks, or upgraded finishes. This incremental housing approach has been used successfully in many developing countries. Another important benefit is resilience. New modular homes can be engineered to withstand hurricanes, floodings, earthquakes, and strong winds, better than some informal structures currently found in vulnerable Jamaican communities. The decision by the National Housing Trust to procure thousands of modular homes following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa could become one of the largest emergency housing initiatives in Jamaica's history. The program represents a major shift in how the country responds to natural disasters. According to the government, more than 900 modular container homes have already arrived in Jamaica, with hundreds more on the way. The government has indicated that approximately 5,000 units are expected to be procured under the program announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness. The initiative falls under the broader Shelter Recovery Program and will be coordinated alongside the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority, NARO, which has been established to oversee post-hurricane reconstruction and national resilience projects. All right, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.